Imagine yourself in this Ford 2019 EcoSport SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include front license plate bracket, turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels and tires, front all-season. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.